Summer, do we actually host AAA games?
Yes.
Or do we host all types of games for all types of
No,
genres?
actually, the platform hosts all types of games, AAA games, from even card games. We host, like for example, today we have a UNO tournament. You know, everybody remembers UNO and knows how to play. So we're hosting a UNO tournament today. So we'll be hosting many types of games, mobile games and console-related games, and also PC-related games. So we have a vast. So we want to attract all types of gamers, AAA gamers and casual gamers, and just those, just 5 minutes and just playing on the game. So we were attracting the full spectrum of gaming.
You're right. So another aspect of gaming is we always look at the different verticals of what is esports and how it all comes together. One of the really good initiatives that Saudi has taken is bringing the gaming servers here in Saudi.
Yes.
That improves the latency. That improves the gaming experience. That improves the eyeballs here in Saudi, just increases. So you've got Tencent, AWS, Cloud on Google, all co-hosting here in Saudi, improves the gaming experience for our customers here and for the region.
Correct. I mean, like for us in mobile, we're hosting Tencent. We'll be getting PUBG hosted in mobile itself. So all the PUBG traffic in the region will be hosted through the Mobily hub soon. By the end of the year, should be there. So this is where Adam Muhammad is that connectivity, internet speed is a huge factor in gaming itself. So I think this is a trend will go on. Of course, to add to this, you're talking about VR, about XR, immersive reality. All these games are still in infant stage. I mean, there's not many games that are that were very popular for VR. So I think there's still huge room to growth, but these things require internet speed. They require a lot of data. So we need to have a good connection to get these games up and running.
So you actually answered my question is, what's the role of the telecoms in the gaming and the esports industry?
Yeah, I mean, I guess that I did answer your question. The role is to increase the speed, make sure the connection, everybody has a good speed to playing their games, to developing their games. There's, like I said, there's a huge potential, especially in Saudi, for game development. Because there's a lot of things going on, because a lot of games come from outside, but we also need to be localized, with the cultures and the language. So this is a huge opportunity for any game developer to start building a game with the culture. Because the population here is crazy. I mean, the amount of youths that are under the age of 35 in Saudi is massive. So this is a huge target market for you as a developer to create a game here with huge potential.
So we've heard about the different type of investments that came from the Saudi government. The Social Development Fund, the government itself, and they're all trying to ease up the whole atmosphere to actually improve on the experience of gaming, either being the game developers or the game publishers or even the teams. So we're here sitting smack down in the center of the region, creating content. And do you believe that we have enough content creators here in the region? We
do, but we need more. I mean, there's a lot more opportunities here. There's a lot more things that we can be developed more. I mean, there is content creators, but nobody knows about them. So this is another issue, that they're there, but they're hidden talents. So people need to these content creators need to come up, and be seen by people. So therefore, they can develop things, and we can create new games. We can create Saudi-made games. I mean, this is something I'd like to see. Saudi-made games that are on the consoles, that are on the PCs, AAA games. But I know that takes time, because these AAA games took some studios took 20, 30 years to develop one game. So I know it's going to take time, but so we can start somewhere.
Let me circle back, Thamer, to our platform that we've recently launched. What do you think is going to happen in the next couple of months with the games itself? Are you going to be launching daily tournaments? Is it going to be monthly tournaments? How's the prize pools like?
I mean, as of now, we're starting with the daily tournaments. I mean, if we go pick something into, we'll keep it as daily tournaments. The prize pools, I mean, we have assigned prize pools, before, of 600 riyals. But again, we'll see how popularity goes. And we're going to continue this way, or we're going to change things. We might do something in monthly tournaments later on with the bigger prize pools. We're open to sponsors, if they want to come and sponsor some kind of tournament on our platform. We're ready for that. So, I mean, we want this platform to be a community for gamers in Saudi.
So any
I mean, not only
sponsors
Saudi.
out there, just give us a buzz, yeah? We're ready to sponsor you.
But
So let's, Tamer, talk about the latest tournaments that's happening today. Is it a AAA game?
No. It's UNO.
It's UNO.
I mean,
Why?
it's a-
Why UNO?
Because we want to attract all kind of gamers, the AAA gamers and also the normal gamers that just play for 5 minutes on their phone. It's a normal, it's a casual game. So we're trying to attract everybody. We want to create a community.
And how much are you giving out in prize pools today?
Today we're giving 600 riyals of coins.
So guys, you just need to register, play an UNO game for 5 minutes, and get a chance to win 600 riyals today. This is not a PR marketing stunt here, but I'm telling you, these are the numbers that Mobily is actually putting on the table, where customers can subscribe to a package
Yes.
as low as 10 riyals a month and get a chance to win up to 600 riyals a day. That's
Correct.
fantastic.
Yes, and also again we have besides the 10 riyals, we have a 30 riyals and a 6 riyals. I mean, so each package has different perks. So depending on what package you take, it depends on the perks you get. I mean, sometimes the price pools get doubled, and so many other things on avatars changing. We have so many things that attract you to come in and log in daily.